Hey Dazzlers, welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are both safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant home decor DIY using Dollar Tree clothespins. So if you're interested, then just keep watching. So the first thing I did was disassemble my clothespins, and then I glued them back together with Gorilla Wood Glue. Next, I removed the hanging hook, sticker, and the metal sign from this Dollar Tree wall plaque. I then cut Dollar Tree craft sticks in half and I hot glued them to the back of my wall plaque. Once I flipped my design over, I noticed that it wasn't as flat as I wanted it to be, so I placed something heavy on top, and then I used a warm hair dryer to reheat up the hot glue to help flatten out my design. Once my hot glue has completely re-dried, I'm then able to flip my design over and use generous amounts of wood glue to attach my clothespins. I repeated those steps to make 2 additional pieces, and I allowed all 3 pieces to dry overnight. The following day, I took all 3 pieces out to a well-ventilated area and gave them 2 coats of silver metallic spray paint. Once my spray paint was completely dry, I added Dollar Tree gemstone stickers, Mod Podge, and extra silver fine glitter. Before adding my gemstone stickers, I'm adding this Dollar Tree round mirror to the center. To hang my designs, I'm using large Velcro command strips. And here's the finished look. These simple but elegant wall decor pieces can be customized and arranged a number of different ways. The possibilities are endless. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, please like, comment, and share. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and be sure to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss my next video. Remember, I upload new videos every single week, so until next time, Dazzlers, bye!